Under embedded system, so automotive applications. So automotive applications is like you know without human interface, that particular system work automatically. You know, our side is our brain will be control over all the human bodies. That controller consider as your brain here. So that will control total part of the system. The big microcontroller 8051 controller as SIC AM and any type of FPGA. So this is will be control the total automobiles and automotive applications. So first of all, we have to see anti-lock braking system. So what is anti-lock braking system? So anti-lock braking system uh, that is embedded in uh, that high-ended cars. So if the actually that is ensure the tire or the vehicle wheel should be on the track on the road. It will be ensured by this is anti-lock braking system. For example, the car is moving. Suddenly, the driver pressing the brake. So because of some situation or some kind of um, incident happen in front of the car, suddenly he uh, stop the brake. But if suddenly it will be catch the total brake, the four wheel will be suddenly it will be when it is stopped, the total car will be skid and rolled over on the road. So you couldn't control the car. So avoid that kind of situation. They use the anti-lock braking system. So this anti-lock braking system, so mainly used for the car should be the tire should be on the road. That means it should be placed on the road. Means it's not from skid from the road. Once if you press the braking system, then the car will that wheel sensor. There are sensor they placed in the car. That wheel sensor it will understand that means that the braking system they're having some parts. Once if you understand the parts, then you can easily understand the working conditions. So first one is speed sensor. So speed sensor that give the information or help to know so whether the car is accelerating or deaccelerating with the vehicle. Then valves, there are three position of valves they put it in the car. The first position kept in that pressure from the master cylinder on the brake. So then second position, the valve kept in closed position so that more pressure does not reach under the driver, does not need to pull the brake pedal harder. Then on final position, this is third position, pressure from the brake is released through this valve. So these are the three positions the valve is kept in the place. The pump gives back to the pressure to the brake and valve is released. Controller, known as controller, is anti-brake monitor, the sensor and valves, and working of anti-lock brake system in automobiles. So this is an electronic control unit system which monitor the movement of the wheel. If a wheel in the automobiles goes slow, the speed sensor will tell the valves to reduce the pressure. So the brake and thereby the wheel turns faster. On the other hand, if the wheel goes faster, the pressure of the wheel is increased. How the anti-lock braking system work? They said if the wheel goes faster, pressure on the wheel is increased. If wheels goes slow, the speed of the sensor will tell the valves will be reduce the pressure. So this is like if it is fast, the pressure is goes high. If it is slow, the pressure is low. It's like proportional to the wheel fast, that acceleration proportional to the pressure of the wheel. If it is faster, pressure also increased. If it is slow, the pressure will be decreased. So similarly, also they are having satellite radio broadcasting how the automobile is available in that place. So that is a navigation system. Navigation system automobile its wide pathway. These systems are made of different functions. The system basically consists of GPS receivers, antenna, sensor, screen, map database, navigation computer. So this is GPS, global positioning system. So there are the sensor having two types. One is speed, another one is direction. Speed, how much mm, uh, this will be give the information about how it will be travel, how accelerating that vehicle, and direction where the vehicle uh, towards to going. So that will be find out by this sensor. So this GPS, the information get it from satellite. The satellite will be the map database deficient screen with the help of circuitry. So computer help to checking the information from the antenna. So sensor with the map database is display on the screen with the help of circuitry. And drive by wire. So this system help to replace the mechanical system of automobiles. The electronic system is in actuators, HMI, human machine interfaces, human HMI, human machine interfaces. Okay, the automobile electronic system using actuators and HMI. Then component of automobiles like belts, steering column, pumps, coolers, vacuum servos, master cylinders, hoses, intermediate safe. So these are eliminated. Adaptive cruise control. So adaptive cruise control, uh, you know, uh, this one is adaptive cruise control. Uh, it's controlling the speed of vehicle. Once if the vehicle is going in front of the another vehicle is going, it will be calculate how much speed that the front vehicle is going. Then in case of the front vehicle put the brake, then that avoiding the collision, then the car will be slowed down automatically. That adaptive cruise control that will used for traffic. When the vehicle goes through the traffic, then the adaptive cruise control is distance between vehicle on high traffic highway. When traffic congestion goes down, the adaptive cruise control helps to change the speed of the vehicle using the braking system. So it helps to change the speed of the vehicle system. Then each automobile having adaptive cruise control will be having the radar as a transceiver to know the distance and speed of the vehicles in the path. The computer associated with account helps to control the brake of the automobiles. The airbag control system in automobiles. So airbags are generally designed to inflate in the case of frontal impacts in automobiles. When the collision process happens, an electric current is sent to the ignition system. You know, the airbag control system that is familiar in all the cars. So this is mainly save the lives. You have to first of all you have to take your uh, what is that, the seat belt. The seat belt you have to fix, then only the airbag will be work. So once that airbag is generated, inflated the case in front of impact the automobile. When the collision process happen, the electric current sent to the ignition system. That electric current keeps on heating the filament and thereby ignites the capsule in when it is done. Generate the gas when gas is expanded. The airbag also inflated. All the happening within the time. Within 0.1 second it's completed. So it's airbag, cross sensor inflator. sodium acid, gas sensor, and inflator. So once the collision is happened, the electrical sensor will be given the information to here. Then nitrous will be filled into the back, and back inflate in front of the driver. Then airbag is open. This process completed within zero point 0.1 second. So major industry that help automobile industries. So Texas Instruments that provide different controls, automobile control chips, DSP automobile industries, and Xilinx provides CPLD, FPGA, and other application related to course to develop navigation system and adaptive cruise control, etc. So the silicon providers and analog devices and the Renesas, etc. Some other automobiles industry also used in this embedded system. Thank you.